Yo, today I decided I was gonna make some Louisiana style red beans and rice. Let's get started. You see that I'm cooking up the andouille sausage, adding onion, bell pepper, and celery, which you already know. That's the trinity right there. Mix all that together. Now it's time to add a little bit of minced garlic. Mix everything together. Also got the better than bouillon. Adding my soaked beans that I soaked overnight with the sausage. Now it's time to add the broth to the mix. So I'm gonna also add garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and also slap your mama Cajun seasoning. Mix everything together. Now it's time to set the Instant Pot for 40 minutes on high pressure. It's time to get that rice going. Oh yeah, the beans are done. The rice is done. Guess what? Time to eat.
Cheers. Oh yeah.